I know this thumbnail sucks, but I'm not a creative person, sorry. Anyways, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen GBP JPY. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And if you're a complete beginner, you do not know how to trade, you have no idea about the functioning of the market and the chart, then I have uploaded 32 videos on my YouTube channel in the form of a course. So if you're a complete beginner, then you can go through the videos. Okay, you'll get the basic idea about the chart patterns, indicators, how the support works, resistance works. Okay, you'll get a good idea. Okay, if you are a complete beginner, so please go to the course. Okay, if you want to learn. And if you want to learn from me personally, one-on-one, then you can go to my website avilashajarika.com/workshop, and you'll get the required or necessary details. Okay, now let's get back to the chart. So this is the chart of GBP JPY, and if we just look at the chart, there is no denial that market is an uptrend. Market is an uptrend, beautiful uptrend. Okay, but yes, there is a but here, always a but on the chart. Okay, though the market is an uptrend, okay, and market is trading support at the 50 moving average beautifully. Okay, still we can see that, okay, there is not much movement in the market as of now. Okay, because see, market is taking support at the 50 moving average, there is no doubt about it. Okay, and if we look at the present position of the market, then also we can easily see that market is just standing at the support, and 50 moving is also trying its best to provide the required support to the market. Okay, so as I always say, trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to sideways or let's say a range bound market. Okay, and as I always say, you should always look for the area of value. Okay, area of value, area of value, area of value in a uptrend market is always near the support, and area of value or the best trading opportunity in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. In this case, market is an uptrend, so the best trading opportunity or the area of value will be near the support, obviously, and this is the 50 moving average. So our best trading opportunity according to this discipline is that we will be looking for buying opportunity in the 50 moving average. Okay, but you can see here that I have drawn two lines here. Okay, now let's get to the main part. Okay, and if I tell you to concentrate on this particular portion, okay, just forget about the overall trend of the market. Okay, and just concentrate on this particular portion, then you can easily see that market is not in uptrend right now. Okay, yeah, overall market is an uptrend, there is no doubt about it, but as of now market is not in uptrend, market is in a tight range. Okay, and in this particular market, okay, suppose you are thinking that area of value or the 50 moving average is support, we should buy. Okay, okay, easily you can go for a buy order. Okay, but you'll be having resistance at here. Okay, because there is not much volatility in the market, there is not much participation in the market. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, though we have the area of value, but still it is not the justified position to go ahead and buy. Okay, because see, if you buy here right now, if you go ahead and buy here right now, okay, then your stop loss will be here. Okay, logically your stop loss will be here, and your take profit target will be here. This is your take profit target. Your risk to reward ratio does not match. Okay, though market is in uptrend, though we are having the area of value, but still market is in a range right now, and that fact we cannot deny. Okay, therefore your risk to reward is not matching. Okay, and overall market is in uptrend. Okay, overall market is in uptrend, so there is no point of shorting the market, we will be going against the discipline. Okay, therefore this is not the ideal position to buy, because though market is in uptrend, though we are having the area of value, still market is in a range. Therefore, what should be our strategy then? Our strategy is wait for the market to cross this particular resistance level. Ah, sorry about the bad drawing. Okay. We will have to wait for the market to cross this particular level. One, 154.90. This is the level that we need to keep our eyes on. Okay. Otherwise, as long as market is trading in between this range, 154.90 on the upside and 153.20 on the downside, as long as market is trading in between this range, you will not trade. Okay, this is our no trading zone. This is a no trading zone. Okay, and if you are a complete beginner, you are a newbie, okay, you have you're still learning, okay, then this is your no trading zone, completely no trading zone. But if you are say, let's say, intermediate trader, if you are trading for a couple of months, you have got some experience, okay, and then you can go for a quick profit. Okay, quick profit if you find market in this level, 153.20 level. Okay, just listen to me carefully right now. As market is in a range right now, so in case market comes down to the 153.20 level, okay, if you find market on this level and you see that price is respecting this level, market is about to bounce back from here, okay, you'll get a confirmation in the form of a hammer or a green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, market is respecting this level, you can go for a buy order. But do remember, this will not be a very much long trade. Okay, you cannot afford to go to a placing the trade, go to a meeting or go to a market. Okay, you cannot afford to leave the computer screen. Okay, so if you have got experience, you know how to do scalping and all, then only you should go for a buy order here at this level if you find market. Okay, otherwise wait for the market to cross this level. This is the level. Okay, 154.90 is the level that we need to keep our eyes on. So we will wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, so if you find market crossing this level beautifully, then when market will cross this level, we will wait and watch. Okay, we will wait and watch for at least 3 to 4 hours. When we'll see that yes, market has crossed the level now, market is trading comfortably, price is not struggling. Okay, then we will get the idea that the resistance has become the support now. And once the resistance become the support, then we will get the new area of value here, or the next best trading opportunity. Okay, then we will go for a buy order. Otherwise, as long as market is in this range, we will just try to avoid. Okay, if you are a beginner, you should completely avoid. Wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, 154.90 level, then only you will get the next best opportunity. Or otherwise, wait for the market as long as you are seeing market in the tight range. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Take care.